So if you don't recognise it, this is Paul Harrison's Desmo. That's had some tuning work done. So it's had a new engine, well, an engine rebuild, and it's had its the fueling all set up by Rick. So it'll be good for the new season. And Paul runs the JHP exhaust system on this. But this is quite a well-known bike. You might see that. You'd have seen this one down at Rikers. It's the Stoner rep, so it's got all the quick release brakes. It's got some really cool bodywork on this one as well, and then it's got the race seat pads. It's a really nice setup machine. Carbon swing arm covers. So mine looks original, whereas Paul's has really been modified. It's very cool. I had to record this because lock wiring is not an easy skill, and you've got the master at work here. This is Rick Hackett, and he's just lock wiring the titanium bungs, so a custom per cylinder map, which needs bungs putting in. Believe it or not, the JHP doesn't come with lander bungs, so Rick's had them welded in really nicely, titanium, done in titanium, and he's just lock wiring it back in now. And this will be back on the road shortly.
Oh, you've got it, mate.
Low anyway, isn't it?
I mean, I don't know.
Or is that sucking through? Yeah. It's got Rick Hackett doing the detailing. You get top service at JHP.
I'm getting a bit of sunshine on my bones.
I know. What is this big orange thing in the sky?
They're all running around in there saying, "Where's Rick? Where's Rick?"
Yeah.
Oh, mate,
Rick's doing what he enjoys doing. Yeah, actually working with bikes. Yeah.
I'd rather be out here doing this.
Bikes are better than people, aren't they, Rick?
Yeah, absolutely. They don't talk back to you. That's why. They don't talk back to you.
What do they say? With great responsibility comes
something like
heavy
that.
weighs the crown.
Yeah, something like that.
I'm glad I'm not the only one that struggles getting up these days.
Yeah,